Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexpips.com. I am here with the final analysis of 28th of March 2019. Okay guys, I am going to start today's discussion from New Zealand USD. So guys, I have supplied the bearish signal in case of New Zealand USD. Let me switch my chart. Okay, now you can see the entry was 068201 and I was expecting the drop up to 067705. However guys, you can see that the market breaks the entry clearly in the few hours ago. Like 8 to 9 hours ago, the entry was break, and after that you can see a significant downward trend on New Zealand USD. So I congratulate all those traders who have taken the sell positions on New Zealand USD as per 200forexpips.com recommendation. They must have collected a very good profit. Okay, now let's talk about another massive move that we have seen today on Great Britain Pound USD. A bearish trend was supplied to the subscribers in the morning with 131845 entry and 130654 was the target price. And guys, you can see that today the market hit the target price. It breaks the entry first. After that it keeps on going down and finally it hit the target price. So overall 100% satisfied signal, and hopefully you people must have caught the profit on this pair. Now let's talk about the USD Canadian dollar, another satisfied signal of the day. I have supplied a clear bullish trend in case of USD Canadian dollar from 134096 and 134383 was the target price. And guys, you can see the market exactly breaks this level and then it hit the target price, and finally it has tested the target price, and hopefully you also have caught the profit on this pair. Second last, I'm going to talk about the EURJPY. A bullish signal was supplied from 124002 and 124511 is the target price. However, the signal just missed the target price. It went near to the target price, but overall if you have traded the 3 hours on EURJPY, then you must have collected the profit because 95% of the signal was expired. So guys, that's a reasonable gap, because if you look at the volatility before that time, it was not so much high on Euro USD, so that gap was very good for day trading signal. At last, I'm going to talk about AUDJPY. Okay guys, it's just fighting on the level that I have provided with the bullish entry 78259 and 79000 is the target price. So guys, overall if you the line is drawn here on the chart, this is the entry. Overall if you look, it went up 3 hours ago and then again dropped a little and now again on the entry. So basically we have seen no good volatility on this pair. So overall it was a ranging market for this pair. So if you caught here 3 hours, if you have caught these 3 hours, then you must have collected the profit. Okay guys, this was all about today's analysis. Moreover, for the newcomers who are just new to the trading channel, let me explain about the trading system. Whenever you see that the market is into the top red boundary, and if it's getting the bearish candles from the top red or blue boundary, then you can sell the pair. And whenever you see that the market is into the lower red boundary, and if it starts gaining the momentum, like you can see here, the market was pushing up, so that's the best time to buy and enter into the trade. Moreover, when the scalper gives the red arrow signals at the top red boundary, then you will take the sell advantage. You will ignore the white arrows at the top red boundary because the market already reached to the overbought levels, and you will simply ignore the red arrows when the market reached to the oversold level and seek for the white arrows. Like here on this white arrow, it has provided us with a buy signal, and look, the market straight went up. So guys, this is how we use the trading system. Okay guys, this is all about today's analysis. So if you are looking to subscribe to my daily Forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators that we have just discussed, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype 1-to-1 live coaching, for all this you need to send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. Please like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.